You won't believe the calm, cool, quietly powerful bikes Ryan Gosling would ride. First, the Suzuki Hayabusa. Legendary, smooth, and deceptively fast. Built for effortless dominance, worth around $18,500. Next, the Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello. Futuristic yet soulful with Italian character. Priced near $16,000. Then comes the Norton V4 SV. Ultra-exclusive, race-bred, and dripping with understated prestige. Valued at $44,000. After that, the Zero Senior F. Silent, electric, and brutally quick off the line. Costing about $20,500. And finally, the Benelli Lencino 800, minimalist, stylish, and perfectly balanced for urban cool. Rounding out the lineup at roughly $9,500.